How to avoid unoriginal content strikes or ineligible for the For You page. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you some tips of how you can avoid unoriginal content strikes on your TikTok account. Without any further delay, let us get started. So the first method that you can start with is by creating original content. Ensure that your content is unique and not a repost or a compilation of existing contents from another content creators or platforms. Also be noted to avoid watermarks. Don't post content with visible watermarks or logos from any other platforms, for instance, Facebook or Instagram. Use original sounds. While using trending sounds can boost visibility, also try to incorporate original audio or music. Also make sure to give proper attribution. If you use third-party content, ensure it's properly attributed, but be cautious as it may still be flashed. And avoid reusing content. Reposting your own content frequently can also be flagged as unoriginal. Instead, refresh old ideas with new perspectives or format. And lastly, engage with the community. Participate in trends, challenges, or create content that encourages interactions. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.